Hello, this is Tikva from Homeopathy for Humanity, and we're going to talk a little bit about acute diseases today. And I'll read a little portion from Aphorism 72. The diseases to which man is liable are either morbid, rapid processes of the abnormally deranged vital force, which have a tendency to finish their course more or less quickly, but always in a moderate time. These are termed acute diseases. As we know, acute diseases vary from chronic disease, which is another topic altogether, isn't it? Acute diseases have a number of different causes. There are individual causes, for example, becoming chilled, becoming heated, becoming chilled then heated, becoming wet in a storm. Emotional distress is another one. And so are things like wrong eating. And the person gets sick. Sporadic diseases that are acute are injurious things that happen to a number of people at one time. It affects a part of the population, but not a whole lot of the population. It's sporadic. An epidemic, we all know what an epidemic is. These are contagious diseases that have identical or almost identical morbid processes. That means symptoms, signs and symptoms. And they attack people often once during a lifetime, but not always, like influenza. And it sometimes can kill a person. You know, something like smallpox. That's a very, very serious epidemic disease. Things like war and famine and drought, lack of hygiene, make people especially vulnerable to epidemic acute diseases. And one of the things that we need to remember as homeopaths and as caretakers in general is to teach Aphorism 4 and to teach people about how to stay healthy, how to eat healthy, how to wash their hands, how to take care of themselves, how to avoid things that are poisonous, to remove the cause that can cause illness, especially epidemic type illnesses, which are acutes.